Something strange is happening on PlayStation 5, and it's raising serious concerns among gamers worldwide. Players are reporting that their digitally purchased games are suddenly showing as expired, blocking access completely. Imagine buying a game, owning it, and then one day being told you no longer have access. That's exactly what's happening. These are not subscriptions. These are full purchases made through the PlayStation Store, now unexpectedly locked. At the center of the issue is DRM, Digital Rights Management, the system that verifies ownership of digital content. If the console fails to properly connect with Sony's servers, it may not confirm ownership, triggering these expiration errors. Some players have found temporary fixes, like restoring licenses or reconnecting to the internet. Others try setting their console as the primary device to force a license sync. But here's the problem. These solutions don't work for everyone, suggesting a deeper system-level issue. This situation highlights a bigger concern with digital gaming. Do you really own your games? When access depends entirely on servers and verification systems, even a small failure can lock you out. So far, Sony has not issued an official statement, leaving players in the dark. Meanwhile, reports continue to grow, and frustration is spreading across the gaming community. Whether this is a temporary glitch or something bigger, it raises serious questions about digital ownership. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.